Fire TV Cube, hands-free with Alexa built-in, 4K Ultra HD, streaming media player, released 2019. The fastest, most powerful Fire TV. From across the room, just ask Alexa to turn on the TV, dim the lights, and play your show. Control compatible soundbar and AV receiver, and change live cable or satellite channels with your voice. With the built-in speaker, ask Alexa to check the weather, turn off the lights, and more, even when the TV is off. Instant access to 4K Ultra HD content, plus support for Dolby Vision and HDR, HDR10+. Watch favorites from Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Apple TV, HBO, and more. Stream for free with Pluto, IMDB TV, and more. Designed to protect your privacy, built with privacy protections and controls, including a microphone off button that electronically disconnects the microphones. With Prime, watch TV episodes and movies such as Hannah. Use the power and volume buttons on your Alexa voice remote to control your TV without making a sound. Live Q&A with culinary expert and more with a 1-year complimentary Food Network kitchen subscription. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.